our paper, we want to protect the corner with the crease. So this is where our fold here and our fold here met. We're going to protect this corner, and we're going to draw a rainbow arch from the top to the bottom. So it's going to start near the top, curve down. And I'm going to make it also in black so it's easier to see. Curve from the top to the bottom so it looks like a rainbow. To double check, if you would like to open your page, you should still have the other side. So you should have written on the right side. Okay. Once we get here, we're going to take our scissors, our thumb will go on the top and our 2 fingers in the bottom, and we're going to cut on our rainbow curve. Okay, once again, if you want to open it, you should have what looks like a rainbow. Okay, the next part is we're going to draw some shapes. I'm going to start by just putting a shape in the middle because I want my middle to be cut out. And I'm going to do a triangle, a little triangle. I'm going to do a big skinny triangle and a square. And I'll go over to the other straight part and I'm going to make a loop. I want to make sure between my shapes we're leaving a space. So that was a tiny space, but try to leave a finger space between shapes. And it's your choice. You can make whatever you like. As long as you have spaces between your shapes, it should turn out. Then I'm going to keep my paper together and I will start cutting out the shapes that I drew. This activity is going to work on hand strength. If we have our thumb and index finger and middle in the scissors, it will work on the muscles we need to properly hold our pencil in the tripod grasp. And it also just works on the bilateral coordination because we're cutting. We need to use both hands together to do different jobs when cutting and when folding. And the visual cue in the corners tends to really help with students who have difficulty understanding the concept of folding. It's really not an easy concept. So take your time, try to stay right on top of your lines. Once you're done folding, we're going to use both hands together. We have to be very, very gentle, and we're going to open one time, and then we're going to open one more time, and we should end up with a snowflake. Mine kind of looks like an ornament, but it will turn out to be a snowflake. Everybody's snowflake is different.